Wow, the Rocky Mountains in winter, so beautiful. I can't believe I'm hiking this alone, so exhilarating. This trail is amazing. The air is so fresh and cold. Perfect. Oh, my head, where am I? This doesn't look right, man. I'm lost. No work. I'm a while. What is this? The text is gone. Which way now? What happened here? These are deer bones, torn apart. A predator did this. I need to be careful. Looks like a small cave. Checking it out. No scat, no fur, it's clear. Good. This will work. Finally, out of that cave. This wind is brutal. Need to find shelter. These trees look promising. Windbreak, less snow. This could work. This cluster of pines could provide good shelter. Need to measure the space between them. The ground is firm. This could work. I can survive this. These old logs might be useful. This one's solid, good for construction. The others could work too. This rock wall is perfect. It blocks the wind from the north. Let me check the surface for stability. Solid. This will work for the shelter. Need to check the snow depth here for a shelter. Digging down, looks like about 2 feet of snow. Frozen earth underneath, good for insulation. The sun's low, 3, maybe 4 hours of light left. I need to build a shelter now, before dark. No time to waste. The rock wall gives protection, and the pine canopy overhead provides cover from the elements. Fallen logs for materials, and a frozen stream 200 meters away for water. These straight ones will make a solid frame. This should give us a good runoff angle. Yes, that feels stable. All right, let's get this lean-to built before the storm hits. Lay the smaller branches across the ridgepole at an angle. Weave them for stability. The frame is taking shape. In deep snow, you need weatherproof shelter. I'll layer pine boughs over this bark, needles down for shedding. This 6-inch coverage gives us green camouflage and keeps us dry. In this cold, I need to insulate this shelter properly. Dried grass creates air pockets to trap heat. Stuffing every gap is key for weatherproofing. Need to clear this floor. These rocks have to go. Pat it down, make it smooth. Lying down to test it. This will work. This shelter is set, now for a softer bed. Adding this dried grass will make it much more comfortable. There we go, a natural, comfortable bed. This should seal the entrance for the night. The basket weave is coming together. Now for the pine boughs to block the wind. That should hold.
Clara Jane has about 2 hours until dark. Her need for fire is urgent. It's her next survival priority.
Under these pines, sheltered from the snow, these dry leaves and needles are perfect. Into the pocket. Now for a fire. These lower branches are dry and perfect for kindling. Now to sort them by size. Thinner ones catch first, then the thicker ones. Okay, let's gather some fuel. This should be enough to get a fire going. All right, let's clear a spot for the fire. Clearing the snow down to the ground. Now, rocks for containment and reflection. The fire base is ready. Okay, first the tinder bundle. Now the teepee of twigs. Come on, catch. Crystal clear, but looks can be deceiving. Gotta be careful. Fresh powder. Away from trees means no debris. This pure snow is a great water source. Pack it tight, more efficient. On down, more to go. There has to be a spring around here somewhere. Yes, a spring, and it's not frozen. The water looks much cleaner. That's not so bad. Easy now, don't spill a drop. This water is precious. There, right by the fire. Stockpile's growing. There has to be something edible under here. Just some dried roots. This is getting frustrating. This pine tree has accessible inner bark, a survival food source. I'll peel the outer bark to get to the edible cambium layer. Scrape the inner bark. It's a traditional foraging technique. Look, rose hips still on the bush. Perfect. High in vitamin C, a winter survival food. Yes, with a few more for the pouch. Dormant cattails near the stream, a good find. Time to dig out the roots. Peeling back to the stichicor, pure survival. The oak tree should be around here somewhere. Here's the squirrel's cache. Some of these look viable. Let me check the quality. This one cracks open well. Rabbit tracks, fresh, it's moving east. Hopping pattern, it's heading for cover. I see the pattern, stalking now. In the Rockies, you can build a simple snare trap for survival. First, find a rabbit trail. Use a shoelace and a bent sapling. Camouflage it with snow and debris. Now it's ready. Second trap here increases my chances. Set the trigger, now to test it. Solid. Patience pays off. This heavy branch will make a good throwing stick, sharpening the end for better impact. Good practice for a backup hunting method. There you are. Missed, but I'll get better. Bird tracks, they lead towards the stream. Small winter birds act near the water. They're feeding, a potential small game source. Empty but triggered, something's getting smart. Resetting here, adjusting for better tension. Next one, don't fail me. There it is, the second snare. Yes, a rabbit, and it's still alive. Have to, it's strong to survive. These tracks are fresh, leading deeper in. Larger prints now, deer most likely, heading toward the pond. This expands my territory, a good spot for a hunt. A stream, maybe I can find fish. Yes, movement under the ice, fish! Protein source, yeah. In this snow, I need to get creative. A safety pin can be a hook. First, bend the pin in a hook-like shape. Now, attach the string, a primitive fishing line. 30. Come on, just a few more worms. Ah, a larva, perfect bait. This should be enough for now. Yes! Come on, a bite! Yes! Protein, Sachova! Protein.
Session in the Rockies, building her survival food supply. She's just caught a second, smaller fish. With each catch, her confidence and supplies are compounding.
Gathered the rabbit and fish, now for the plants. Rose hips, pine bark, cattail roots, this will help. This improves our food security, we can plan meals. This snow cache will keep the food cool and fresh. Hanging it high protects it from scavengers. Now it's safe and organized. Stream is pure, I'll fill every container we have. We can't risk dehydration, every drop counts for survival. Our stockpile is growing, this routine will keep us going. I need to purify this water. Boiling is the only way to make sure it's safe. Patience is key now. It's starting to boil. Okay, it's heating up. Bubbles rising, just a bit longer. There we go. Safe to drink, clean water at last. Using the snow to cool the purified water. Natural refrigerator batches to build our water supply. This systematic approach will meet our hydration needs. All right, first cut, steady now. This part is never easy. Gotta depress for survival. Gotta be thorough with this rabbit. Waste not, want not. Okay, liver and heart for eating, the rest away from camp. Now, clean the cavity with snow, removes all traces. We're set. First, wash the rabbit meat to get rid of any dirt or debris. Using purified water ensures it's safe to eat. Now it's clean and ready for cooking. Let's get this started. First, the incision. Now, to remove the scales. There, ready to cook. All right, let's build a cooking spit. I'll carve the fork supports first. Now to sharpen the center skewer. Looks stable, ready for cooking. All right, let's check the rabbit. It's browning nicely. Juice is dripping, causing flare-ups. Adjusting the height. Looking good, almost ready. These cattail roots are softening up nicely in the coals. Almost ready, a good source of carbs. Let's see if this rabbit is done. No pink. Now, time to eat. Finally, some real food. That's incredible. So warm and nourishing. Thank you for this strength. Wrap it in bark to keep it fresh and bury it in the snow, safe till dawn. The temperature is dropping fast. Fire's going strong, it'll keep the cold away. Gotta grab more pine boughs for the bedding. Layering them thickly for insulation. This should hold the heat, ready for the night. Easy now. Stay back. I see you. Don't come closer. Hey! Get out of here! No! Back off! I'm not scared to take that! Go on, get! Stay back! This is my ground! Yeah! Nickel gun! Ah! Oh, get back! Stay back! Dawn at last. Time to break camp. Pack the essentials, leave the rest. Find the trail, find people. This is it. Moving out. Okay, time for a rest. Need to refill. Water's good, now for some calories. Gotta check my feet, a hot spot here. Bandage on, good pace, ready to push on. Wait, this looks like an old logging road. Yes, this is a sign of civilization. I knew a milestone. Rusted machinery, abandoned decades ago. Nothing useful, just confirms people were here. There it is, a sign of life. I'm not giving up. Set up the compass. Place the stick vertically, it casts a shadow. Mark the shadow's tip with a stone. Wait 15 minutes, that line points north. Underbrush ahead, can't go through. Gotta go around, save my energy. Much better, onward. What happened here? Predator kill, fresh. Not staying, moving on. Stay alert, keep pushing. Wait, is that a helicopter? Hey, down here, please help me! Damn it. No sign of the plane, can't wait around. I'll make a signal. A big X for the next flyover. This should be visible from the air. The afternoon sun is high, but my energy is fading. Pushing through this exhaustion, testing my physical limits. Reverse of body, face to body. And I won't stop. Wait, what is that? Prints in the snow. These are fresh. Someone was just here. I'm not alone. This changes everything. I have to follow them now. These tracks are fresh. They must be close. Can't stop now. Rescue is just ahead. I see the end. I'm coming. Help! Is anyone there?
Hey, you all right, miss?
I got lost. The storm.
We'll get you warm. Come on.
Thank you. Thank you.
Easy now, you're safe. Let's get you warm. Ace, this is Camp. We found her.
I can't believe I made it.
You're safe now. Drink up, we'll get you out.
Thank you. I was so cold.
Rescue's on its way. Should be here soon. Hey, lie back, we've got you.
Thank you. It hurts. Now, back to the world.
Helicopter's landing! Move the gurney! Vitals are dropping! Get her on the gurney, now! Airway is clear. Starting fluids. Let's move! Through the doors to Trauma 1!
I'm Dr. Ellis. We're taking good care of you.
It hurts. Just a small pinch for the IV. Thank you.
Vitals are stabilizing. Let's get a chest x-ray.
Any dizziness, nausea?
A little dizzy.
The wound is clean. It's mild. You'll recover fully.
Thank you.
You look great in your regular clothes, Clara.
Thank you. It feels amazing to be out of the hospital gown.
Everyone's waiting for you at home.
I can't wait. This is a new beginning.